Hello, it's Edward Chin again, the creator of Peti-Peti.com. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how you can um, insert a background image in a box. Right? And there are basically two types. One is an image, just like you have seen before, inserting an image. But this time the image is going to be in the background of the box, almost like a wallpaper, right? And the other way of doing it is through a formula, and I'll share with you a simple formula. Okay, so first of all, image, right? Um, what you want to do is, first of all, get an image. And one source of free images, which is very good, is of course Pixabay. So I'm going into Pixabay, and I'm going to search for beautiful scenery. All right, and so here you see there are some royalty-free photos. I choose one that I like. Let's say I go for this one, right? And then I right-click, and I get the image address. I come back to my web page. I get into edit mode, and let's say that I'm going to use that as the background for my entire web page. So I select the main box, my new web page. I style the box, and then there's an option here which says background image. I select that. I select single, and then I copy the URL from Pixabay, and there you have it. Almost like a wallpaper for my web page, right? Now you will see that it will tile, because the size of the image is of a particular size, and if your web page is bigger than that, it will try to tile your web page, with copies of itself. So if you go into background image single, you can say no repeat. Okay, then it will only have one copy of it shown, right? But you could also say you want to cover the entire page, right? So you will stretch the cover. Okay, so there you have it, a background to your for your web page. Now, someone in class asked me a couple of weeks ago whether they could have a background of rainbow colors, because I did show you how you could change the color of the background, but he wanted rainbow colors. So the way to do that is you go into the background image again, right? And this time you select multiple images. And this is where it gets a bit technical, but and so those of you who find it too difficult, you can skip this. But what you want to do is you do a linear gradient, right? And you say to right, comma, and you can say red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, right? And you could say red 5%, orange go up to 20%, yellow goes up to 50%, green and up to 70%, blue to 80%, and purple to 100%, right? And when you do that, you see you get a background of rainbow colors, right? And that's from left to right, so it's to right. Yeah, you could also say, I believe, to bottom, right? Then the rainbow is going downwards, right? So let's say to right is good enough, right? And as you add boxes, so as the box grows, you'll find that the background will just continue to grow. All right. Now you may want to say, oh, I don't want to have this background, this box shown like this because it's blocking the background. What you can do is you go into background color, right? And this is where, no, I'll explain it another time, but you select the color wheel, just select any other color, just click on any color, right? So let's say you get gray, and then the opacity, you change it to 0.1 to 0.00, so that will remove the background, right? And then once you've done for one, you can copy style and apply to the other boxes. So this way you can have transparent boxes which you can, you know, just use for entering words, and then the background is the rainbow background. Okay, so rainbow, I mean, background images are really a fun thing to play with. Um, those of you who are interested to find out more, I've put a link in the background image under multiple images, useful sites for creating, copying background images. So you can click on this and learn a little bit more about background gradients, and then you can copy and paste the code into your background. Okay, I hope you'll find this useful. And it looks like it's pretty, it's full of potential to make your web page look more pretty. Do have fun, and enjoy with your time with Peti-Peti. Thank you.